Hello friends, welcome to my channel JM Learning. Today we'll learn the topic of hard and soft magnetic material. Myself is Mr. J.M. Patel, Electrical Engineering Department from Kekewa Polytechnic, Nasik. Let us define first what is the hard magnetic material. Hard magnetic material are those material which retain their magnetism after being magnetized. It means that once we magnetize, the material will still have the magnetism left within itself. Such material will be called as hard magnetic material. The example of such material are the alloys, which will be composed of iron, cobalt, and aluminum. The most popular alloy of this category is Alnico. Now let us see what are the properties of hard magnetic materials. To understand this property, first look at this BH curve plotted on this right side. The BH curve will be helpful in understanding the properties of hard magnetic material. In this BH curve, we can observe that this material are having very high retentivity. It means that they will retain the high amount of magnetic flux within it once they get magnetized. Second is they have the large coercive force. Coercive force, it is the force that is required to demagnetize the material completely. It means that they will have this high value of coercive force, that is ampere per meter, to make them demagnetize. Third is the property that is here is the high saturation magnetic flux density, which we can observe from this graph, that this material will have the higher level of magnetic flux density. Then we can see here is that this loop area of hysteresis is the large area, and that is the requirement of hard magnetic material. Because of this large loop area, we will have the large hysteresis loss that will take place in this material, and this material cannot be easily magnetized and demagnetized. It means that once you magnetize this material, it will be difficult to demagnetize it, because we will be requiring very high or large value of coercive force to make them demagnetize. Now let us see what is the soft magnetic material. Soft magnetic material are those material that are easily magnetized and demagnetized. It means that we can make them magnetize and we can demagnetize as per our own requirement for a specific application. The most common material of this category are the iron silicon alloy, the nickel iron alloy, the amorphous nanocrystalline alloy, which is the most commonly used material in making the transformer in electrical power sector. Now let us see the properties of soft magnetic material. To understand these properties, again we require to have the understanding of the BH curve and its loop. If you compare this BH curve with the previous, this is a BH curve which is having very thin cross sectional area or very thin loop. So if you observe from these points, you will get that there is low value of retentivity here. Then second is that here we require a very small coercive force to demagnetize the material. Then the magnetic saturation flux density is also of low value as compared to hard magnetic material. Then this area of the hysteresis loop is small. If area is small, then the hysteresis loss that will take place in this kind of material will also be low or less. Then these material are easily magnetized and demagnetized. So these are the key properties of soft magnetic material. Let us see what are the applications of hard and soft magnetic material. As we earlier discussed that the hard magnetic material are having large retentivity, large coercive force, higher saturation flux density. It means that they will be best suitable for making the permanent magnets. These magnets are to be used for longer period of time for their application. Then lifting magnets, which are used to lift the certain type of goods material. Then they find a very wide application in automotive, that is for motor drives, for the fans, the wiper, the injection pumps, the starter motors, the control for seats and windows. In any kind of the car, you will see this application of hard magnetic material. Then telecommunication is one of the field where we can find the application of the hard magnetic material in making the microphone, the loudspeaker, the telephone ringers. Now let us see what are the application of soft magnetic material. Soft magnetic material are the most common and favored material for making the cores of the various electrical equipment or machines. The transformer core is made from amorphous materials. DC machine and AC machines, they will have their core made from soft magnetic material. The electromagnet will be having their core as made from soft magnetic material, that is iron silicon alloy. Then the relay will have the use of soft magnetic material for their operating function. Then circuit breaker. Then we can find application in communication equipment such as the audio transformer, recording aids and magnetic modulators. With these few important elements of understanding the soft and hard magnetic material, I am sure that you have got the basic idea and the knowledge of this hard and soft magnetic material. With this, I am thanks for watching this video. Do like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.